Hey everyone, welcome back to another unboxing. This time we're going to be unboxing this GX200 gaming headset. It works, it's compatible with Ps4, Xbox One, Switch, and PC. It's rechargeable mic, mute, stereo surround sound, noise isolation, volume control, and it has a 40mm drives. So let's go ahead and open it like this. Let's take a look at it. You can open it up. That's how it looks like. Ultra comfort gaming headset. Alright, these are all the things that come with it. Mute switch, powerful sound, retractable mic, and it goes on. There's 15 settings to it. It says retractable boom mic. That's good, so you could like take it off to put it on if you whenever you need to. There's some more information over here about it. I guess you get all these different kind of ports, volume control, some features to it added, and the same thing that says here: surround sound, mute, volume, and everything like that. So let's go ahead and open it up and see how it feels, because we can't touch it now. So let's go ahead and take it out of the box. Okay. Take it out of the box and see how it looks like, how it feels like. There you go. It's kind of attached back here. Not really sure what's gonna happen. Here we go. One-handed. So you got your auxiliary port right here. Let me take it out of this. So it's attached to the headset. Let me go ahead and take it out of this plastic, and I'll be back. Alright, so we got it out. I found this under the box. I guess these are ports to, I guess, mic and headphone for computer. Perfect. Let's put to the side. Looking at the headphones. These headphones, there's nothing too special about it. They feel pretty decent. Not too much going on. You get a padding at the top. These ear paddings, they look like they're pretty thick. Nice and soft. You got your cable attached to it, and then you got the mic. It's a retractable mic, which is right here, as you can see. You just pull it out, and it pulls out like so. You can use it. So we're gonna put it to the test. I'm gonna play some games with it and see how it works. And there you have it, folks. GX200 gaming headphones.